Hello guys, today I'm in Bangalore. I landed yesterday and I'm in Lemon Tree Hotel. It is a nice hotel. Um, it was wonderful. The weather is amazing as usual. Yesterday when we landed, while we land, it was raining and it was awesome. Today I am going out somewhere. I'll show you where I am going. I'll try to go in two places, but let's see if time permits, then I'll show you both the places. If not, then I'll show you one place. All right, bye bye, see you. In front of the Bangalore Palace. Mobile camera 300, still camera 710, video camera 114. And so guys, I was given this earpiece and one mobile phone where I can press the buttons whenever I see any statue or wherever it is numbered, so that this microphone, this earpiece will tell me what it is and about it. Let's go inside and see. Guys, I really love this place. Look at the sky, it's so blue and it's so clear. The park is such a wonderful place. Look, it's so clean and the view is amazing. Make sure that you come and visit whenever you are in Bangalore. Try to go inside the park. I'll see what else is there and I'll let you know. These are the flowers. Since it is not the time to bloom flowers, for the flowers to bloom, I mean, there is no much flowers here, but I can see that they have planted a lot of flower if we come during spring season. Amazing to see the place. A lot of dragonflies are flying around and the sky is clear, and this place is amazing, really. I've been saying amazing for so many times. I know you might be fed up of it, but I'm telling the truth. Dragonflies here, and it reminds me of my childhood. We used to catch dragonflies, play with them, and it was amazing when we were kids. So they charge me for entry fee and also camera, but mobile camera they do not charge much. So but they gave me this thing. Wait. Gave me this thing from the registration. What this thing do is there is this numbers inside, and inside the palace there are some displayed pictures, and they numbered the statues or whatever it is there inside. They numbered it. If you want to know about the numbered, about let's say number 1 or number 2, or let's say you want to know about that statue which was inside the palace, you can press the number which was placed near, which was stick on the statue. So, and then this thing will tell you everything about that statue or any furniture or anything, whatever you want. This is something amazing, and they told me I can take away my earphones. So it means basically I'm buying it, but I have to return this phone again. Yeah, I have to return this phone. So I would say the lighting inside it is quite dark, and in my video I know the most of my videos are dark because from inside when I shoot it I can't see anything. But yeah, with naked eyes I can see clearly. It's quite beautiful, and but in my camera it doesn't come out really clear. And the people out here is quite amazing, and they are wonderful to talk about. They are so nice people, and the weather, I can't say anything about the weather. It's amazing. So I'm going inside again to submit this one, and I have to take my Aadhaar card also. Acha, for one more thing, when we submit this, when we take this thing, we have to submit our identity card for our government identity card. So I submitted my Aadhaar card. So now I'm going inside and I'm going to take my Aadhaar card and leave. again. The wind is blowing again. And also, I don't know why I got so lucky. Last time also when I went to Jaipur, the day I landed, it rained so heavily, and the next day the weather was amazing. And yesterday also when I landed, it was raining. It was not literally raining, but it was like drizzling. So it turns out the weather is nice and the sky is clear, and it is so nice to come out. So this is the Bangalore Palace. So my view, I would say that inside the palace there are mostly photographs and paintings inside, and of course mirrors. There are a lot of mirrors are there inside, and some statues. From the outside the view is amazing, and if you take pictures from the outside from right angle, then wow, it is wonderful. And I have taken some pictures from outside the palace, and it turns out to be pretty nice. And if I can, I will put on some pictures also, for just to display that how beautiful it is from the outside. And I'm a little tired, so I think today I won't be able to go to Kuban Park. I thought of going to Kuban or Kuban. I don't know whether it's a correct pronunciation or not. It is something like Cubbon, Kuban Park. So I thought of going there, but I will go there on my next visit. So for today, that is all. This is the palace again. I hope you watch my next videos also. Now I'm hungry. I'm going to my hotel room, and then I will order something to eat, and then I'll plan to go back. I will let you know on my Instagram in which city I'm going next. Alright, please stay tuned. Follow me on my Instagram, Khaling. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please keep on watching my videos. I'll be going to different places in the coming up days. Final view. We are not allowed to go inside here. I really wanted to go inside, and I want to see what is there inside, but we are not allowed, so we have to follow the rules also. Bye, see you on my next video.